By simply uploading animations of children's favorite animals, you can have an opportunity to earn around $20,000 per month from YouTube. And the interesting part is, you don't need an expensive PC, just use an Android smartphone to create the video. What's important is that we created ourselves using our own smartphones, without using repetitive content or infringing on someone else's copyright. A disclaimer, don't miss this video, okay? Because I will explain in detail from the beginning to the video production process. So, keep watching this video to understand my explanations. First, let's discuss some other channels as references before we dive into the tutorial. Here, I will recommend one channel called VV Kid Versus. This channel has already gained over 3 million subscribers with children's content like this. I'm sure you've often seen such animal content, right? Well, we can create animations like that without needing a PC or computer, just a smartphone is enough. I'll provide the tutorial later. But for now, let's take a look at the analysis of the channel. Here, the views are really high. There's even one video that reached 68 million views for children's content like this. The number of views can reach over 600 of millions. There's another channel similar to the previous one, called Mini Zoo Animation. This channel already has 139,000 subscribers with only 6 videos. Just look at the views, it was uploaded just 7 months ago and already reached 35 million views. The subscribers can even reach 138,000 within 6 videos. Let's see one of their videos, the concept and the content it offers.
Okay.
Well, later we're going to make a video like this using just a smartphone, so stay tuned for the tutorial because this video might be longer than usual. Here, I'll provide a detailed and clear tutorial so that you won't misunderstand and can follow along right away. But before we proceed with the tutorial, let's check the channel analytics on Social Blade. So, the monthly earnings from VV Kit VV's channel range from $1,300 to $21,000 per month. In terms of views, they can get 100,000 views per day, which is a huge number. For me, 100,000 is a significant figure. Okay, this could be a reference for those of you who are still unsure about what kind of channel to create, or perhaps you want to create a children's channel but don't have the capital. Here, I'll provide the solution because you don't need to buy toys. You just need editing skills to create a children's channel with great potential. Alright, let's get straight to the video tutorial. The first step is to go to the Play Store and download the app called Animal Posing. We'll use this app to create 3D animal designs or animations. Once you have everything, let's proceed to the editing process or how to create the video. First, we'll create the animal design using the Animal Posing app. Here, you can choose various animals like tigers and many more. It's easy, just click on the Change button. You'll see several animals to choose from, and they're all free. For example, I'll select a chicken. Once you've chosen, click Apply. But for the background, it's still empty like this, so it's better to use a green screen. Click on the background on the right side, then select the green color. Next, click Apply on the top left corner. Now it's a green screen. Once you're done, you can adjust the size of the animal using the control tools on the left side. You can control the size of the animal and the camera. Additionally, you can drag the poses or movements of the animal at the top left corner using the slide pose feature. There are walking poses and eating poses. But here, I'll use the walking pose. Once it's set, simply click Apply. You can also add other animals. Here I used a bird. Just click Add. Then, add the animals you want. After that, you can adjust their sizes according to your preference. Alright, once you're done, click the check mark. If everything looks good, just click Apply. Now, you can see the result. You can also add poses to the bird. Click on the bird and add the poses you want. For instance, I'll add the walking pose to match the chicken. Click Apply again if you're done to set up. You can also directly record the screen to save the video or create a green screen. To remove all of this toolbar, just click on the eye icon below and then proceed to record the screen using your mobile screen recorder. Okay, got it. You can also change the animal. Add the animal. For instance, I'll add a pig to add more variety to the video. Here's the pig, just click Apply here. You can also delete or remove the animal. Okay, now we're with chicken, bird, and pig. Let's find pig poses. Now we have several poses to choose from. There's running, idle, and die. Let's go with the running pose. Click Apply once you're satisfied, then click the check mark and try recording again. We created the animal design or the green screen for the animal. Now, let's find the background or the setting. To find the background, we'll use the Canva. You can download Canva app from your phone or just by using a browser like me. Go to canva.com, search forest landscape illustration, then simply search for, find a suitable background. Drag into your workspace and set as background. After that, download it into PNG or JPG format. You can use other editing apps besides CapCut, but I'll demonstrate using CapCut here. Next, click New Project, add the background that we've downloaded, click Overlay, and add the green screen that we recorded from the animal posing app. Then, click on the chroma key to remove the green background. Adjust animal size and placement. If you think it looks good, you can proceed to animate it. But now, it's still stuck in place. To make it move left and right, simply slide it to the desired direction. Then, click on the lock icon. Next, slide the layer timeline to the end like this. Then, slide the chicken to the right until it reaches the edge. Like this. The result will be like this. Okay, it's now in animation. You can get creative and customize it as you wish. The key point is to follow these steps for the creation, and you can further enhance it by adding sound or other ornaments. That's all for the explanation in this video. If there's anything you don't understand or if you'd like to discuss something, feel free to leave a comment in the comments section. I'm signing off now, and I'll see you in the next video.